Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you my first project of 2019. And I had followed Scrapqueen's tutorial on her little tag box that she did, and I just want to share with you what I did. So real quick, I used the Amelia Rose paper, and I absolutely love this paper. I want to get more and hoard it forever. And to make my tag box, I used Crealies dye, and this is dye number CLBLT15 with stitch line. And I use that to make my back part here. I use the largest die. So here, real quick, zoom out. Whoop, wrong way. So anyway, real quick, this is the tag box that I had made using her tutorial. And she's all done uploading all of the videos now for the tutorial, so I figured I would go ahead and share mine with you. I did follow her tutorial part on making the box. However, I couldn't wait for her to show how she made her album, so I went ahead and did my own once I had the measurements that I needed for the box, so I knew the album would fit. So anyway, I went ahead and I've got some Tim Holtz corner feet here, and then this little butterfly medallion is a charm I had in my stash. I don't know how you can see that. And let me take this out. And then some flowers. These flowers here match the paper collection. So this is a little box. Super cute. Now when she cut her tag out, she did it out of chipboard, and she ran it through her machine. It didn't cut all the way through, so she did have to do some little bit of fussy cutting. I did not want to run chipboard through my spellbinder machine. I was afraid that I would break the machine because I don't think the one that, I don't know which one she uses, but I know the one that I use, the chipboard, is not even going to make it through the machine, and I was afraid. So what I did was I cut out 9 tags out of cardstock and I glued them all together, and then I let them set overnight so you can see how hard. It's just like chipboard. So what I did was I glued them all together. I set them down and I put something heavy on just to make sure it stayed flat while it dried. I let it dry overnight and then I went ahead and attached it, but super hard. Anyway, that's the little tag box. And then the little mini album. So like I said, her tutorial is up on how she made hers. I did make mine differently, like I said. So let me walk you through. So I used these smaller tag dies from the set, and it's got 6 pages too to it, by the way. And let me give you a quick measurement. It is about 3.5 wide by 6 inches tall, and it has a 2-inch spine. I think her spine is a little smaller. I would probably go with a little, just a tad smaller if you can get away with it. It fits perfectly fine in here. The only thing would be is if you did do the brads in the back like I did, I followed hers just to give this a little more stability to stay on. You might, depending on what you do, it might get caught. I mean, mine goes in and out nice. The other option would be to expand the width of the box just a tad. Alright, so let me walk you through my album. So I have a little pocket on the front cover, and on the first page I actually have a little photo mat here. It opens up. I didn't decorate these yet. I wasn't quite sure because if you decorate these for the size of it, if I wanted to put a full mat in here, it would have been a little short for standard pictures, obviously. So it'd be like 2.5 by 5 you could get out of here, or you could get like 2 by 2s on here. So I didn't want to do that so much, so I left that part blank, but I do have a little pocket right here. And then it flips up this way, and I have a pocket on the inside. A nice big spot for a photo here. Now this could hold a 3 by 5. You just have to cut it down just a tad. Actually, I made it 3 1/8 by 5 1/8 on my photo mat, the white one, which I'm keeping permanently there. So a 3 by 5 photo would fit with a nice little white border. And then opens up to this side with another photo mat, and then it repeats itself again. And I just kept it simple. It's a small book, so you don't want to go too crazy with anything. And then it just continues on with the pretty papers. I love this paper collection. And all 6 pages are the same, and then a tag in the back. And then the back. Anyway, that is the little tag box following Scrapqueen's tutorial for the box itself. Like I said, the album is mine. She had did it, and I wanted to post it sooner, but then I also wanted to wait till all her videos were out. That way, if you want to make the album, you can just go ahead and completely follow her design. And she shows a really neat way of how she made her pages for this, so it was kind of interesting. Anyway, I hope you enjoy what you see, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you'd hit the subscribe button. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box, and until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye!